Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to write an invitation. What is invitation? That is we are inviting our friends, our relatives, isn't it? By using the cards that we call it as invitation. Okay, here we are going to learn how to write an invitation. First, what should you mention? It means that is a receiver's name and address. Receivers means here we are writing a letter, that is a sender. Our address we call it as sender's name. Then address and address. Receivers means those who receiving your letter, those who got your letter, that person we call it as receiver. Okay, write receiver's name and address. Below that, write greetings, that is a dear Ramu or Somu or dear Ramya, like that. Invitation for what purpose are you writing an invitation? For inviting birthday or for inviting wedding or some other ceremony or rituals. What purpose are you inviting? That should you mention it there. Then additional details, when it is happened, when that function is happened, then at what o'clock, where it is happened, everything should be mentioned there. Then even you can mention the dress code also. Got it? Then complimentary clause, for example, yours lovingly, your friend, yours affectionately, like that you can mention it. Below that, write your name, that is sender's address. Here, while starting that invitation, while beginning, you can use such kind of phrases. I would be delighted if you could please join me for dinner. Could you please join us for dinner? We shall look forward for your presence. My family and I shall be waiting for your precious welcome. Like that, you can start your invitation. Got it, children? Now, I will be showing you an example how to write an invitation. Topic: invitation. Anansi realizes his mistake. He wants to invite Turtle for dinner. Help him write an invitation. Now you are going to help how to write an invitation. Okay, now who is writing that invitation? Anansi. For whom? Turtle. So receiver's address Turtle, that should be mentioned it here. Then address house number 12. Then date should be mentioned here, 25 December 2020. That means you should not write a DEC. Half things should not mention it here. If you mention full thing, full name December, no need to write it or something else. Got it? Then below that you have to mention that greeting, that is dear Turtle. Okay, you can start the phrases. Already I told you, I would be delighted if you could please join me for dinner to celebrate my birthday. On which day? On Friday, 30th December 2020 at 8 p.m. At my, where it is happened? At my residence house. What is that house number? House number 12, Spidey Hill, etc. If you would like to include something else, you can include it also. Got it, children? Then concluding part, my family and I shall be waiting for you. Then closing sentence, that is a complimentary clause, your friend Anansi. I hope that you all understand. Once again, I am telling you another example. Now take page number 106 in your content book. Look that question. It's Megan Aunt's 5th birthday. Help her write an invitation, inviting her friends to the birthday party. It should look appealing and should have all the correct information. Then only they can reach your home. So your information should be correct. Okay? That thing I am writing here. Help her write an invitation, inviting her friends to the birthday party. Here, that Megan Aunt is given. You write any one of your name. Okay, friend's name, that is a Timmy Aunt. Okay, this is a receiver's address. Write Timmy Aunt, then 31 Ant Hill Plaza, like that. Then mention date also. Once you finished all this thing, come down, write dear Timmy. That is what do you call it as? Dear Timmy, what do you call? this greeting part should be included down. Then once you finished, start with that phrase. I would be delighted if you could please join me to celebrate my birthday on Sunday 25 December at 5 p.m. at the Little Ant Club. Okay, where it is happened, when it is happened, at what o'clock. Everything should be mentioned it clearly. Okay, then you can mention even the dress code also. The dress code is yellow in color. You can wear yellow color. If you are the gen means you can mention any dungaree or what purpose, any coat shoot, whatever you want, make them to wear it. Let you mention it even in the invitation card. Got it, children? Then concluding part, I shall look forward to see you, like that. Okay, here yours affectionately. Who is writing this letter? That letter refers invitation Megan. So after this closing, you write it Megan. Got it, children? Here it should be responded. Your invitation has to be responded. Like that, you have to write an invitation. I hope that you all understood. Even you can mention phone number. Okay, where your house is situated, whether north side or south or north south, whatever it is, east or west, which direction does it tell you, everything you can mention it in your invitation. Got it, children? I hope that you all understand. Now you can complete page number 100 and 106 by using this video. Thank you, children.